How much freedom can you fit in a bag? The freedom of knowledge? The freedom to share? Freedom to dream? Freedom of movement? Now it fits with Linky. Mobility is freedom. With Linky's strong patented folding mechanism, it's freedom in your bag. It's a last-mile mobility solution that means no more traffic, no more bus timetables, no more pollution.
Linky represents a new generation in electric mobility. With it, we want to improve the way we experience cities. The team behind Linky is a group of passionate travelers. Wherever we were in the world, we found ourselves wanting a mode of transportation that is eco-sustainable, easy to carry around, and really fun to ride. With technical engineering and sales backgrounds, we've studied last-mile mobility and made Linky to fill a gap in that market, but also in our own lives. Nothing out there is truly portable, so that's why we made Linky to fit in a bag.
One thing that distinguishes Linky is the incredible pride we take in attention to detail. We have worked for 2 years to perfect the patented mechanical system that expands and contracts Linky. Based on our experience in automotive design, our structure uses highly resistant polymers and carbon fiber for a perfect balance between lightness and rigidity. Weighing just 4.9 kilos, it's really sturdy. We have put 160 kilos on it, and we have ridden hundreds of kilometers.
My experience in the electric car industry is the inspiration behind the electronics and the battery of Linky. We wanted to be able to bring Linky on an aeroplane, so we've chosen a fast-charging, long-life lithium-ion battery that respects IATA regulation for air travel. Safety is our #1 priority in designing Linky's powertrain and battery management solutions. We've optimized for power, performance, and weight. Linky charges to 85% of its capacity in just half an hour. With Linky, you can ride 15 kilometers, climb up 10% slopes, and reach up to 30 kilometers per hour.
Linky is made by hand by one person who follows the project from start to finish. We are ready to go into production, but we need a minimum number of orders to make this possible. Your support right now will help keep costs down, so we can guarantee a great level of service and a truly exciting electric longboard.
How do you engineer an experience? When you strip away everything weighing you down, holding you back, you begin to float away, weightless, hovering. This is the hoverboard, the essence of pure motion captured, refined, and reinvented. The hoverboard translates your will into motion. A single point of contact with the ground minimizes friction and frees your movement from a linear path. Inside, precision sensors and electronics smooth and stabilize your ride, gently accelerating in whichever direction you lean. The controls are intuitive. Gently apply pressure to one end of the board to accelerate. Lean gently to one side or the other to turn in that direction. When you stop, you can set the board down on its side to dismount. The electric motor powers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, perfectly balancing safety with efficiency at every turn.
In my first company, I had to figure out some way to pack all of the control electronics and the drive electronics into the motor itself. I succeeded in doing that, and we called the product the Smart Motor. That really poised me perfectly for making the ultimate personal electric vehicle.
The hoverboard moves you, but it's also a part of you, with endless personalization options to make your hoverboard a perfect fit for you. Built-in speakers pair with your smartphone, giving you the perfect soundtrack for your daily commute or weekend joyride. Onboard lighting gives you visibility at night, letting you ride a cloud of light to your destination. The hoverboard is perfectly balanced in both form and function. It's fully electronic, whisper quiet, and amazingly efficient. The high-capacity battery takes you 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. And the best part? It's not just an idea. We are riding the experience today.
The thing that sets the hoverboard apart is that it really does take skill to operate. It's an earned experience. You have to get in touch with the nuances of the hoverboard, and once you do, the reward is a gliding, kind of willful experience that carries you where you want to go.
The hoverboard is the ultimate form in a new class of electronic transportation, connecting us to our world in a way we've never experienced before.
Meet Eon, the next generation in urban electric transportation. Eon is the first bolt-on kit that can convert any skateboard into an ultra-light and powerful electric vehicle. It's simply a matter of attaching our motor and power pack to your skateboard, and you're ready to roll. Eon is a radical new transportation solution. It will transform the way you move around the city. You'll zip through traffic and expand your ability to use any mode of transportation.
As a grad student at MIT, I commuted on my longboard and began to imagine what the future of transportation could be like. When I moved to San Francisco and created my first electric longboard, I knew I was onto something. I then connected with a group of amazing designers and engineers to take this idea to the next level.
Forget about car payments, gas, and parking. With Eon, you'll save money and enjoy your commute in a completely revolutionary way. Each motor can deliver more than 1,000 watts of raw power and can push you to top speeds of over 35 kilometers per hour. By integrating with your wheels, we've reduced drag so you won't even feel it's there when pushing. Our OFOC technology makes the ride completely smooth and silent, so stealthy that it'll be hard to even tell you're on an electric board. Well, besides the fact that you'll be able to fly uphill. Our kit is modular. You can choose between 1 or 2 motors and batteries to optimize for range and terrain. One pack gives you up to 12 kilometers of range, which can be doubled with a second pack. Installing Eon is a breeze. Just swap your wheels for our motor and slide the battery pack under your trucks. If you don't have a board, we offer 3 types to suit your riding style that will come completely pre-assembled. Eon is great when you're learning how to ride. You can bomb down any hill confidently with the safety of regenerative braking that will recharge your board while slowing you down. The Eon remote takes advantage of the latest in advanced biomechanics research to create the most comfortable, intuitive, and ergonomic controller available today. Your Eon experiences can be controlled by our mobile app. Fine-tune your board, review your stats, and even connect with other riders. We've designed Eon to be a platform for all your urban transportation needs. Its modular design will allow you to swap the power pack from your board to other electric vehicles. We are already designing Eon for bikes.
Electric vehicles have the potential to dramatically reduce global warming and toxic pollution generated from cars and trucks. Our mission is to create transportation solutions for urban commuters and accelerate our transition to sustainable energy consumption.
Kickstarter community. More than a year and 7 prototypes later, we're on the verge of manufacturing our first Eon badge. We need your support to help us move into production. The funds we gather will go towards custom tooling and the first run of Eons. Your support will also provide us the validation and feedback we need to continue developing exciting electric vehicle technology. Visit our website and join us for the ride.